Hello everyone, this is Kaiser and today is Sunday, which means we have a large weekend today, like 24 hours. And that's why all the people who are active like me but have nothing to do in Sunday, no friends, girlfriends or nothing else, just hanging out with the family, and also family is also busy all day with their personal life. You can do such a things like that that I do already. I just invented the alternative of Lmao that we all know and use for React, like laughing my ass off. And the alternative is Lmak, is like laughing my ass kick, and you can see that what is the meaning of it. Also, this content as a proof, you can see that I'm the officially inventor of this. So if anyone try to claim themselves that they're the official inventor of this, they have to pay me, and I will charge him as a cyber crime for stealing my invention. So it's really serious things. Also, you can find that content on Facebook. You can see the times and date. Also on Pinterest. Sorry, my screen is really fixed. I can't show you all the things, but you can go to the links. All the links will be added on the description. You can see them if you click on that links. All right. Also, you can see that I had questions on Quora also, and on my website, it's really under construction right now. I didn't add the domain, so uh, we can add a content, right? And this is the meaning of that first person in the earth who invented Lmak. So you can use that. It's really gonna trending if you're using on your personal life. I'm not saying that that thing is so vulgar to use, because many people do use it in different way. I'm gonna use it with images that will make you to use that too. So it's really funny things. So you can do that also in Sunday weekend, when you have nothing to do but you are really active and really addicted to social media. And recently I don't have any job last 3 weeks, so I'm doing this kind of stuff because I need to do something right, so I can have some enjoyable moment, because without work every month, you know how it look like. So if you're looking for my portfolio, you can see here there are more detail about that. All right. And also you can see all the links on the description, and check about my bio if you're interested to hire me. I also do freelancer, and this is my customer list that I work for, and there are more that I couldn't manage time to add those. So if you're interested, just let me know. And this is all about. Have a great day and stay safe and enjoy your weekend.